Feeling tired, inflamed, or just out of sync? You might not need pills. You might just need nature. In this video, discover how to heal your body naturally using the incredible power of plants, food, and simple lifestyle shifts. These tips are backed by science, and your body will thank you for them. Nature's alarm clock is sunlight. Exposing your eyes and skin to morning light helps reset your circadian rhythm, boosts serotonin levels, and even enhances vitamin D production, essential for immunity and mental clarity. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes outside each morning. Transition tip. Can't get out? Open your window and soak in the sun while you stretch. Trade your third cup of coffee for healing herbal teas. Chamomile reduces inflammation. Peppermint soothes digestion. And nettle tea is loaded with minerals. These herbs help the body detox and relax naturally. Health stat. Over 60% of Americans consume more caffeine than recommended, causing sleep problems and anxiety. Alternative. Switch to herbal infusions, especially in the afternoon. Healing starts on your plate. Berries, leafy greens, turmeric, ginger, and omega. 3 rich fish like salmon reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. Nature's medicine cabinet is your kitchen. Health stat. Chronic inflammation contributes to over 7 of the top 10 causes of death in the U.S., including heart disease and diabetes. Tip. Swap processed snacks for raw nuts and blueberries. Walking in nature, also known as forest bathing, reduces stress hormones, lowers blood pressure, and boosts immune function. Even a 20-minute walk in a local park can reset your nervous system. Scientific backing. Studies show spending time in green spaces increases natural killer cell activity by over 50%. Tip. Try walking barefoot on grass for added grounding benefits. Calm your mind and detox your body with slow, intentional breathing. Add a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus essential oil to boost the effects. These scents reduce anxiety and open airways. How to. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Health benefit. Controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and repair mode. Spices are ancient medicine. Turmeric fights inflammation, cinnamon balances blood sugar, and garlic boosts immunity. Add these to soups, teas, and stir-fry for a flavor and health kick. Tip. Pair turmeric with black pepper to boost absorption by up to 2,000%. Grounding or earthing is a practice of making direct contact with the Earth's surface. Studies show this simple habit can reduce cortisol, improve sleep, and even reduce chronic pain. How to. Take a barefoot walk on grass or sand for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. Don't just drink water. Drink healing water. Add lemon, cucumber, mint, or a pinch of Himalayan salt for added minerals and detoxifying effects. Staying hydrated helps flush toxins and improve digestion. Stat. Up to 75% of Americans are chronically dehydrated. Your body heals during deep sleep. Go to bed around 10 p.m. and avoid blue light before bed. Use blackout curtains and natural sleep aids like magnesium or chamomile to help your body rest fully. Tip. Try a sleep blend tea 30 minutes before bed for better rest. Joy is healing. Dance, laugh, move your body, and connect with people you love. Movement increases circulation, supports lymphatic flow, and elevates your mood, all key to natural healing. Final tip. Even 10 minutes of joyful movement a day makes a difference. Your body is brilliant. It knows how to heal. Give it the tools it needs. Turn to nature. Trust the process. And remember, small changes lead to big transformation. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a natural reset.